at the issues in details. Share yera your friend says Dogbe award letter the man. Osha award letter ni bi one pa yam provide quantities. Honorable and sort Ministry of your friend say sports. Ono agi tum se boardroom ye kase koto nkonya ye be kire the number of nkonya. One tis ye kase obi
Mame Mao Akwaba Emfa Umbra Ghana Insem TVGH so wofre me adwowa search name. Ebusiafo His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ebeje Ghana kundwa efri NPP funsem. I starting say odi Ghana so no 1 year 4 months any. Na scandals are happen e was a member we mu no edutwem. Ebusiafo yebeka ya abra His Excellency the former president Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo eye Ghana man penino. Yehu obi ti se Okujato Ablakwa, Sam George, Felix Ofosu Kwache, Sami Jemfi, ena de oba kota kra eye Malik Basintali. Ono no oba last hour enso de ode betwe mu no na nya asem keto edutwem. Omo so ya na pa na omo a print documents. De ye no kre na de nye no kre. Eno krake tuwe bi intro fan na obo de akotena radio so TV so na journalist for mo Ghana ha no na back yomo na omo pronounce figures na do discover we amane baba so nkoye painting enda na do discover we amane nua bema figures omo buboy ya kase na do so obeyi train kwan aturim na unim one funny thing sa ensema NDC for kekan no odo pa komakola enda me no kase ana akoba bia emba didwa na koka NPP asem ombeka kire se NPP fu bedi sika NPP fu de ma no mo bebi osika o mo bedi nya sika ketwa inti me ka kire se sa propaganda na NDC fu ye no se NPP fu feel say antoga na fu trim ene o mo boa because it happened back mienu miensa a happen more than like 10 times me ankasa esi menim eba ne sana menti me nkasa because me makomenye me ko bi e ma no ansa na ahwe na asema aba na ma atwe me ko figures a NDC for body go NPP hu fi no na nya asem ketwa me nkasa na ebi nim na ebi wom na emom de na enya no kre no na nka mo so mo print document mo abeyi mo ano NPP fo anya de sa me say enda na ase NDC fo ho abefi kakra ase NPP mo anya no nya mo na from 2024 eba 2025 to 2026 ide Ghana MPP for na MPP party no eke nipa no na omo ofe nti monte na ye na sa nniam ye NDC fo yi na NDC fo ye na ke nso omo beji akonwa ne de omo be play omo cat well omo be ye angels omo be ye perfect na omo abua membu no na so busuafo Malik Basintali no ba last no ode 9 million no sahe edua kwansusa no no de ahe billion so 30 euro eto ne office na Sami Jemfi ede bi ye gold eto ne kom ede bi ye na senayi enua take away akese na Sam George nso nsemhu no de bi di na ne yesusu NDC foda ende omo kire say ora Dogbe ede 1 million Ghana cedis omo de amane so onkoto furnitures na furnitures no mo anka quantity na ankyere ne ze quantity no ze to ba akwa na mienu na omo akukuru 1 million Ghana cedis ede amano ai batiti scan ma 10 billion akondwa furnitures omo de yeden omo anka sa okwa to 10 15 scan ni scandal we na ye na you see politics na te say ana yenja echidi na yemfa ne sa yehu ne te say sa because se wo you obi a wo ka no kware wo you obi a like wo yam fifi ma wo tinsam bi na wo wra ho na wo se na Ghana no ye nipa kakra bi di ana asese sa sourcing contract ya NDC fo edebo NPP fo omutri so de board ende contract am award na de ye wo mini se NDC fo asanso aba award contract se wo yi akwan wo Ghana ha na yeni Ghana ha na John Dramani Mahama abro ye president e de akwan go green book no akwan na ewom ne yehu akwan ne ndebe pemochina de de yeni hu mienu miensa ne so o ma sanso aba award contract o mo sanso en renovate ne sika ye komnie sika ketwa meanwhile teachers nurses tifie won't me inform adwuma because again wo omo afọ no so omo ntu omo ka ade beti bia koko akuafo su ade beti bia koko akuafo su empese koko empese me bisa se koko no wode kwa amanone a won ta na ene ye mame mu abso da homache adọ edua koko adodo ho eguso akote abo ahata mahama se wontua wonka adanya sika no wa bete so nso de wo ho no sha wontua de wo wa bete so de wo de ba no so wontua na mambu na peta ambasa ne wo na sikedi then this food time
that's the issues in details. Share yera your friend says Dogbe award letter the man. Osha award letter ni bi wan pa yam provide quantities. Honorable and the Ministry of your friend say sports. Ono agi tum se boardroom ye kase koton konya ye be kire the number of nkonya. One tese ye kase obi say TV ba ko ye turn 800,000 Ghana cedis. It might not be true. Ebiana TV need also. That is why PPA, you are there as a stopgap measure to clearly check some of these things and tell us that way, so for now the coma, it cannot be approved, and you tell them to go back and do that the right thing. And here can a big push in Sema. It is some of this abatement that is coming from the PPA to approve contract that shouldn't have been approved. And the Ghana Sika quatri. And no any problem. As to Nipa or the Bemana there, Nanyamuna mo creative company, January 2025, award them a contract. Nipa or the Bemana there will be home. All we care is for you to do the job.
I think that you've even admitted, say, Mahano, Yama politics, of course. Who you give the contract to. It is very important.
Obama. The first thing is that even when you want to give it to your own political party person, the person must have capacity.
Exactly.
They will come what creative company in January, and I've awarded a number of contracts to them. And what you want to gaslight us to believe in what? And then you say what the other MPP ni. Kofi Joe Bunzo MPP stage benzo. Yeba power ye hunso obetima ye adwuma no. We've given him the contract. What ba hunso obetima ye adwuma no. One man a contract. Ye de ne say Kofi Job contract out there man no. Ye nyina ebe gina so aka se say Kofi Job MPP ni o. So nye MPP ni o. Obetimi aye adwuma no. Na sa kind of commentaries to take the actual problem that is facing us and govern us as a country away in there. And now they are MPP for a better so. These are part of the gaslighting mechanisms and the PR settings. Mampenini na by say NDC for being tears and NDC for tears and a committee. Whilst Frank Mantel ne PP obit me the letter that no some be all these documents for here for you to see. Who share award ye de ma correct ye company ye Dogbe nedia. You could clearly see that there is no quantity provided. And so your man the contract say uncle to boardroom furniture 1 million Ghana cedis. 1 million Ghana cedis so 10 billion. And you have to money pa ba akupe. Yenim quantity okoto nti okoto enkonya mienu breya na say eno ano no ye 10 billion Ghana cedis no eko hey Obama
that's it
one your party to play why we do eja empatao you are time what any break ompe in your muslim for asem I have been watching you from afar. Adeɛ baako me hu wɔ ho sɛ woyɛ obi a wotankemufo ne yɛnum sɛmfo paa yes woyɛ yɛnum akamfo ne bi na ɔmo tribalistic typical tribal I repeat woka yɛnum asantefo ne bi na wɔmo yɛ typical tribalistic you are the head of them because akonya metofie aja ofie sesi a wofiri ne be enkonya fie na konya na beto na busua na akwa giletu na ye di ebia unia avance kwase ndem fa be salinku woni ne busua ne de salinku abeye abidia de ne yanfo ani a aja mbesere wo obeti wo akobọ kugya foforo abesi de sima busua ne se wo so akobọ kugya foforo ta betra so obi won ma abedi hini ma yi ibusa anya sao akonya na abetofi ana prapre aba na ba ko saka as a common sense man as a nyansani yeso ya say asi ade na nyesi awi It is when you be a jeko also do MPP party pan and with selfish interest and yes sika and yet you will share and rare love party in the Wakumaswa. I don't think that you can behave like this. Obia what I'm not sure baby me video and not make sure no or say can no connector or better so that about you and I was shocked now or can't comment many ba was nice when capacity and then TikTok won't do some come watch it I can't no come na ba umi evu and if you hear all these people calling the base na they are full of evil wicked they don't love MPP they just pretend to love MPP and you go kasa go for you it means you are the same like them so the MPP ni akwa battle o candidate we ni and doesn't mean that for party people say what they be fight it ya akunya na abato ofie no na yedi wuni esalu nkwa kusi so o se ya mfa man ninti no me ko fa ekufu akunya hofro abe siti on mo abe ko tie no ni esalu nkwa se be akunya na be se no doesn't make sense to you eja tribalism does because me person me who ade potinti a on person obeti ba umedi I don't know because 2 years ago Kennedy Irene no so say na so be no I say power chawansa afi wi etire no na o keke sem poto ana mo muame ana me kodi etire me nyaahwe meanwhile aja yenim die o second now if you dare yeah you may expose you one day ana me say nka we ana me kodi poto di me nyaahwe aja ana me be do poor mo so nya on graceful and yes sir e bi tire dey say mo na e paint abeto ma je wa sante ready paint we are totally ungrateful human beings. Some of you guys, typical ungrateful. Because so prepared to nipa, let's say, the bimpo na esia. Who could be party for a I'm go for one party. I will fight it your party. Say, yeah, MPP because of fair position. The way, what is the motive behind? You are calling people.